Nick and Judy are gonna go to Nick. Happy Together Day. How are you? Me and Nick are just gonna hang. We're gonna. Look, come on, Judy, come on over. Come on over. Get right in here. Yeah, you guys are the best. You guys having a good day? Yeah? We just went in the tree, saw the show. We loved it. You guys were amazing in it. Yeah. No, you want to go? You were amazing in it. You were amazing. I'm telling you, you were amazing. Yeah, exactly. You're the best. High fives, give them up top. Boom, boom. Oh, my card.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you, have a good day.
And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to the doors on the left. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Stomp your hooves. I want to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2.
It's Together Day, featuring special live performances from across Zootopia. An unforgettable concert finale from superstar Tundra. Your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Together Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Together Day VIZ. Hurry up, our lucky guest. No, the slot.
Me?
Yeah, whatever it is. Come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser!
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible, that's totally standard. Okay.
Oh, this one.
No, careful. The plastic one.
I'm really bad at this.
Don't mess with the camera.
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes.
Wow! Great for me!
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howler? Are you okay?
We need you to fill in for Heidi.
Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay! Oh, Tundra Town! No. Oh, there it is! Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cashmo! Kozlov!
Predator, prey, high species, balance of nature, together strong like mother.
Oh, it's snowing.
Snowflakes
It's snowing.
Oh, wow! Judy! Nick!
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea!
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that but. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Detectives Cox while investigating the destruction.
Oh my God. Diesel.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be in danger. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that keep us all wetter to the fullest.
The marsh is dried up. Why sabotage Together Day?
Okay, Carrot, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you out.
Nibbles? We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Hey, bub. Hey, bub.
Hey, bub.
Oh my God.
Say your business.
Seriously?
Oh God.
Oh, it's clogged with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little Rodentia!
Time to make like a tree, eh?
Mark,
What?
let's move on.
Happy Zootopia Day from the Shroud! Hi, it's your girl, Frou. In Little Rodentia, we may be small.
But every creature, no matter their size, can make a big difference. We're gonna get ice.
Oh my God.
Donuts do save lives.
I am shocked.
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is the concert!
We're in pursuit.
Zootopia! It's dance, you party animals! Happy Together Day!
Hey, move you big buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo!
Clawhauser,
But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom?
Saving Together Day, Chief!
Hey! Why the shit? Your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
Oh, you think his head has a lot of flies? You should see it.
Wait!
Oh no!
They're gonna ruin the finale! That's it! I got it! I know who's behind this!
Get out!
Hey! Grab on! Clawhauser, beware of rats!
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! And on a day all about connection!
Oh.
Oh! Miss Howard! Together Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Ivy! Hello, Bellwether.
A sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together.
No.
Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Ah, sheep.
Case closed. Boom.
Yay! Wait, we never got our big finale!
Did someone say finale?
Oh, Gazelle!
Has she just been waiting up there?
Come join me, B.I.Z.
Oh, the best day ever!
Let's hear you sing, Zootopia. For legal reasons, I cannot.
Join me in my dream. Make a wish on a whisker. As a team.
Here we go.
Joining up as brother, sister, hope you're calling mine.
We're pouncing toward a better day.
Yikes.
Tails intertwined, we raise our hearts and hymns and
Really?
we are united, we march. We are united. So as we start this revolution, we are united, together now. On our train of thought, toot-toot.
I think they've seen a lot.
Great! We love what we got, it's a melting pot. We are united in every way. Bigger and bigger.
Predator.
So raise your voices, come on and say.
Whoa!
Let's all
Bye.